There is a segment of our population that can't yet get a COVID vaccine. We're talking about children between the ages of 0 and 4. Data from the State Department of Health shows that 2.4% of positive COVID cases in Indiana are in the 0 to 4 age group. Tonight, WRTV's Adam Schumes speaks with a local preschool and childcare facility about the challenges that not only parents of young children are facing, but the issues daycares are dealing with too.
Inside the Him by Her school on the east side, School Kids Early Education Academy Director Kelvin Jarrett wears many hats.
It's a place where our young learners can come, whether they have been to school prior or are just starting out from an infant all the way up to age 13.
On any given day, you'll see Kelvin cooking lunch, overseeing the classrooms, and serving as the director.
You know, we try to make sure that the little ones are safe, make sure that they're wearing their masks, to prevent the spread of disease, social distance as much as we possibly can in this environment.
The classrooms are sanitized regularly, and the staff does temperature checks daily when the children are dropped off.
We've taught them about the pandemic because you got to think about it. These children knew nothing about wearing masks or nothing, so we've explained to them how the illness works.
Kelvin and his staff follow all the necessary guidelines from the Indiana Department of Health and the state of Indiana. A child shows up with symptoms, they have to show a negative test before they return. Meanwhile, the pandemic has taken on a new meaning for Kelvin.
I just lost a family member last week to this disease, and that family member was vaccinated.
As he tries to make sure that his students are in class as opposed to learning from home.
And it's for parents as well. If you know your children aren't feeling well, I know you have to work. I know you have your job. But be respectful of other people's lives and don't bring your child so that they can expose others who may expose someone else. That is probably one of the biggest things in child care that we as providers go through.
Kelvin, a man of many words, will leave you with this free advice.
Practice it, give it, receive it. L-O-V-E, love.
Working for you, Adam Schumes, WRTV.
Adam, thank you. So how can you protect babies and young children from COVID? The CDC says kids as young as 2 should wear a mask in indoor public places for protection. If your child is too young for a mask, the CDC suggests limiting visits with unvaccinated people and to keep distance between the child and others in public places. The agency also recommends surrounding young children with adults and siblings who are vaccinated and boosted.